What's up, guys? Welcome to the shop. Let's give you a tour. So guys, you're in the basement of my house. Let me show you what we got going on down here. So these are kind of bikes that I've been a huge fan of. Like there's some really low mile bikes. This one's a Gorelli with a 70cc. I got like paperwork on this one owner. Just some really nice bikes. Like this purple one has 11 original miles on it, and the speedometer does work. I guess it's from Florida. And just some other like really good contender bikes. Right off the bat, as you guys know, I got my wall of frame. Just kind of collecting the frames that I've gotten over the years, really. Over here, you guys know the Tomos project that we've been working on. Kind of put that on pause for right now. This right here is just kind of, this is a small flex, and then I have a lot of my like eBay stuff that is listed, my website stuff as well. This used to be an old heater that I ran. Definitely not safe, but warm because it's a heater. It's kind of like just an area I do, you know, chest level stuff like carburetor cleans or whatnot. It's just an easy table to work at. I had all this stuff up, but I started to take everything apart to move over to the shop. So I have a lot of my extra bolts and hardware here, and yeah, as you guys know, we'll keep on walking actually. Just random stuff here. I kind of put this up right away, and that's kind of where I put a lot of my cleaning products. Random stuff like my Allen tool, and I use these screwdrivers a lot for just random tasks. This is my first bench that I ever made. It's super wobbly. I actually used to have bikes on top of this thing, and I'd work on them. You guys will see that from the video before. If you look at the shop in the guy's garage, this is the table that those bikes are on. Coming on over this way. This is from my most recent large purchase. It's just a pile of motors. I don't know what to do with them. I don't know where to put them. So they're in the center of my shop, right on the floor, right in the way. Perfect, right? That's where you'd put them too. I'm sure of it. Just a bunch of random stuff. I got a lot of my paint stuff, lubrication stuff, everyday Pook stuff, just tools, random stuff, guys. It's just stuff. Brake cables, you know, tools, random stuff. Same here. So this is like kind of the halfway to the eBay and my website stuff. This is like really cool stuff that I got that I kind of want to clean, like new old stock fenders and whatnot. You know, Pook stuff. I just really haven't done anything with it yet because the shop really did start to finish in only a few months. So more parts, just organized parts. This is the electrical box down here that we're actually about to replace for our house. We're going to be putting our house to a 200 amp circuit, running a separate breaker off of this over to the shop under the ground. And yeah, I mean, this box is from 1970s, so it's about time that we did that. Then we just have bike storage. I got some packing supplies for when you guys order stuff. Just some bikes, bunch of Pooks, my sign. Buddy got me that Lego set for my birthday. Yeah, so I'll take you guys to the darker area where we have more parts. And guys, this isn't even the end of everything I have, but let me show you. Actually, you know what? Here's that famous table that everybody thinks I made, but no, guys, this is actually an original 1970s Pook dealership table that I love. I use all the time. I'm absolutely going to be replicating this for the new shop. I'm going to be putting 2 more of these. So let me show you those parts. Got the laundromat down here in the basement of my house. Parts, gorgeous, all original Pook Magnum. Love this thing. My furnace, it's an Olsen. I know. Yeah, just Pook stuff. Bins of stuff. I mean, like, this is probably, I don't know, half of, not even half of what I own as far as parts go. But yeah, I mean, you guys are looking at some of the stuff just thrown in here, you know. But I mean, as far as the shop goes, there's not much more to this. So there you go, guys. That's the shop rundown. Next, what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna start moving this stuff out. It's no longer gonna be looking like my shop ever again. And gonna get it out of the way of the electricians and the gas guys coming in. And next video will be on the building itself. I'll show you guys. Those of you that haven't subscribed on Instagram, that's really where I'm posting a lot of the behind the scenes stuff. If you want to do it, it's like $2, $3, something like that. Really helps me, and it's super helpful, guys. So please consider that. A lot of behind the scenes stuff. I'm really starting to figure out how that stuff works too, and what I want to post on that. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the tour.